Oh, Lucas, move! I'm gonna throw it! It might land on you! Move!
It's gonna start raining hard, y'all. It's already thundering. Gotta wait.
What the heck?
What's she doing?
Hilla, you can hold this. Just cut still flower. Good, calm down, buddy. Y'all can't hold the camera on.
Yeah, let's do something cool real quick.
What?
I'll show you.
No. I'll hold the camera while you do it. Oh! What the?
Let me have the camera.
It's thunder.
Got the bee.
Thunder, lightning, rough winds blow, magic spells, and away you go. Yeah. Am I stinging in the phone?
No, it's good. You can see it.
Look,
What do y'all think about that,
I'll
y'all?
hold the phone and I'll sling the thing off. I can get out. Papa, yet on me. Papa, yet on me. Papa, yet on me.
I see you.
Yeah. So I'll hold the camera. Yo, guys, you guys don't get it wet. Yo, let's get another bee. Let's get a hornet. Oh, it would be a miracle if the pool filled up and wasn't dirty. Oh, there's an ant. What? Papa, how about I go in there with you? Okay. That's dirty. Oh, as your family, I'm so sorry, but the camera just stopped. You were holding it the wrong way. Sorry. Yo, go get it. I believe in you. Go, Lady Boss. The Lady Boss chicken team. At least it don't kill you.
It's an outside toy. Leave it outside.
In that. Just made my life beautiful.
How you doing, Nolan?
What?
How you doing?
Good. Like great. Oh snap! Look at the trees, guys. Not this again.
Come on, Lucas. You can do it.
Yeah, I'm gonna go get my shoes. I'll be right back. I'll go get my shoes.
Did you get it, Lucas? Bravo. Alright. It looks like it's just me and you, so I'm
Papa, yes, that's the bee.
gonna go catch
Oh my
another bee.
gosh, I just need some
Here goes
shoes.
Nolan.
I'm fixing to run out and call Jesus.
Alright. What are we doing today? Catching a bee, I will say. Let's see. Suey!
Noni, find the bee with me. Noni, let's go up here. Noni, I need to go up here.
Outside the back.
Is there a bee in here?
Bringing it in here.
That's wild.
Oh, look, there's a bee over here, Lucas. Yo. Hold on, guys. Yo, stay. Yo. Goody! Jobby! Yo, look, give the lid to him. Give the lid.
Ooh, there's a wolf spider right there, too.
What? In there?
There's some of it.
Come here, Luke. Luke, change your clothes. Come on.
I'm putting the puppy. Come again.
I like how we're like casually inside like a storm. Oh no.
Oh no, throw it.
This one actually be good so they can see it.
What?
Here, let me see the camera. This might not be that bad.
Yo.
What do? Set it down.
Yo, look.
See it.
You and you. Well, I'll hold the camera. I'm gonna do something unbelievable. Yo, you run away. Get over there, cause I'm gonna kick this.
Alright, come on.
Yo, run away. 3, 2, 1. Wait.
You know the camera so y'all can see it?
Yeah, I'm holding. Oh! What the window? You guys, film him. He's puts in his face.
This is wild. Look at that bird, yo. Even he's running.
What?
Did you see that bird?
Yeah. Oh, window.
We're like storm chasers. Alright, I think it's time to let him out.
I'll let it.
Alright, just take it off and throw it up. He'll run. I'll do it. Alright, in we go. In we go. Come on, Lucas. Okay, in we go. Woo! Subscribe!